I got started in animation when I was 10 years old. I do watch animations on TV. Some of my favorites are Adventure Time, Regular Show, The Amazing World of Gumball, Clarence, Fairly Odd Parents. Um, I like these shows because, they're humorous, they're funny. I love funny, and I've just always loved animation. I've always been very good at drawing. I've been drawing since I was about 5 years old, and, animating since I was 10. And that's just always been something that fascinated me. I used to make little flip books. Program I use to animate is called Pivot Stick Figure Animator. Right now, I use its latest version, version 4. The typical response I get to my animations is usually positive. I don't have a very large fan base, but they're very, very loyal. They're always commenting on my videos. They're always, talking to me on my Facebook fan page and always giving me positive feedback, saying, what they like, what they dislike, how I can improve. And that's what I really want to do, just make good product for people to see and enjoy. How far am I looking to go with animation? I would like to go really far, especially in YouTube. I mean, animating, like I said, and drawing and just art in general has always just been something that I've loved ever since I was a kid. I've always been fascinated by superheroes, and superhero cartoons were just like the best. Uh, I wanted to go to college to major in film science because I wanted to be a director. I'd also like to go on to college for film and animation. I'm not quite sure yet. Uh, But if I could get really far with animating in YouTube, that would be amazing. I just recently signed a contract with Frederator, and I hope that that goes really well, and I hope I do really good and go really far. And I hope to take it as far as it can go, end up on their feature page, and you know, just make really great videos that everyone really loves. What advice would I give to other animators? Um, I would say first and foremost, you got to look at your craft. You got to study it. You know, when I first started animating, I wasn't the best animator, as you can tell, but over time I got better. So it's all about mastering and honing your craft. And you also have to think about, well, if this wasn't my animation, and if I showed this to someone or a group of people, would they find it as interesting as I find those big animations you see on, like, like for example, Stick Page, or is my do I have the ability to create things like that that other people will enjoy? You always have to think about your product. And lastly, I would say have fun because there's a saying that says when you do what you love, you never work a day in your life, and I wholeheartedly do believe that. Like that's why I love animating so much, and I love YouTube because for me, don't feel like I'm working. I feel like I'm having fun every single day. I try to work from 4 to 11 p.m. to try to, get as much animation as I can out in a week. And for me, that isn't tedious. It isn't, annoying. I mean, sometimes it gets a little frustrating. I get a little fatigued, but I mean, it's always what I love, and that's what keeps me going. That's what motivates me. That's what's gotten me to this point. So, first and foremost is mastering your craft. Secondly, would be to hone those skills. And lastly, would be just to have fun. Describe my animation in 3 words. I would say fun, spontaneous, and actiony. I would like to give a big shout out to Animation Guru and Anatomically Incorrect TV for giving me this interview. You guys are amazing. Um, Also, you guys can follow me at my Facebook fan page, Edge Productions. You can also follow me on my YouTube page, Edge Productions. Once again, thank you, the people at Animation Guru and Anatomically Incorrect TV, for giving me this interview. You guys are amazing, great, and yeah, thank you.
Thanks for watching.